Good morning, students. We have done like complement, intersection, union, everything, subsets. Now we are doing today practical problems based on union and intersection. So for that we have two formulas. One is for if there are two sets given, and one if there are three sets are given. The formula for that is the first formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. What are A and B? A and B can be anything. It can be like a number of players playing football, cricket, like that, or it can be set A is like number of people studying newspaper A, set B is newspaper B, and then you need to find it out. So that is for formula number 1. Now second is, if there are three objects, if I can say that paper A, paper B, paper C. What do you mean by paper A? Paper A is Times of India, paper B is Indian Express, paper 3 is Divya Bhaskar. So these are three different papers. So you have three objects. For that three objects, the formula is n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C or C intersection A, it's fine, plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So this is a very big formula, and this is a small formula. This is set of three, A, B and C. These are three different objects. Here A and B, these are two different objects. So CBSE says, CBSE, okay, I am telling you, okay, CBSE. So in the exam you can use, when two objects are given, you have to use formula only. When three objects are given, you can solve the question using Venn diagram. So this is an option given for us to solve this second method. Okay, for first you have only one way, that is using formula. If you want to do second using Venn diagram, that is only to check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not. Now if I can say, I'm taking a question based on two objects. Let exercise 1.6 question number 2. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. So 18 elements means n of x union y is equal to, given to you, 18. X has 8 elements, n of x has 8 elements, and y has 15 elements, so n of y is equal to 15. How many elements does x intersection y have? How many? So you can use this second formula. Now what do you mean by x and n of x and n of 8? Now n of x, n of y, x can take y can take x. That's why it is intersection. Union means total. Okay. So if I have to solve this, I'll use first formula, n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. What is x union y is given to you? 18 is equal to 8 plus 15 minus n of x intersection y. So what is n of x intersection y is equal to 8 plus 15 is 23 minus 18. What is 23 minus 18 is 5. So there are 5 people who have taken both x and y. Now here the data is given to you. Now when you have to collect the data, suppose if I am doing question number 6. In question number 6, it is written in problem sum. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So what I'll take let coffee is equal to X. Then I'll take let tea is equal to Y. So 37 like coffee, so n of X is equal to 37. Then 52 like tea, n of Y is equal to 52. Now what else? Each person likes at least one of the two drinks. Each person means, why they have written each person? Because it's given total 70 people. 70 people means n of X union Y is given to 70. If they have written that, if they have not written this statement, each person likes at least one of the two things. If they have not written that, then what will be the case? There will be few people. There are few people who neither like coffee, neither like tea. They must not be drinking these two. If they have written at least, each person likes at least one of the two drinks, means everybody from this, everybody likes either this or this. Now what is the next question? How many people like both coffee and tea? Both means intersection. This you have to find. So you have to use this formula. Same. N of X union Y is equal to N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. X union Y is given 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus N of X intersection Y. So what is N of X intersection Y? Is equal to 37 plus 52 is 89 minus 70 is equal to 19. So there are 19 people who is drinking both coffee and tea. So your final statement is 19 people drinks both tea and coffee. Yes, one more thing. I am writing and. And is intersection. And is intersection. Or is union. Or plus. And is intersection or multiply. This, just remember, whenever it is going to use, I will explain you how it is used. It is just now, somewhere you are going to use, somewhere you are not. This is very much helpful in chapter probability. But since union and intersection we are using in sets, I am explaining you. Union means or means plus, intersection means and means multiply. So this can be used everywhere. Yeah students, I have done 2 questions. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Tomorrow I will be doing the sums using this. Okay, so do not worry. I will give 2-3 questions as homework. Thank you.